Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 C300 Luxury. This one is white. Underneath here is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 248 horsepower and 251 pounds of torque. This one does come with 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. An almond MB Tex interior, sunroof, C300 4MATIC badging, set of all-season floor mats, burl walnut trim, memory seats, Harman Kardon sound system, steering wheel controls. This one does come with the multimedia package, which is going to give you navigation with voice command. Rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls. The C-Class has 40,992 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC Luxury, check out feldmannimports.com.